In this video, we will talk about the dashboard tutorial resources and where to find them. In order to assist you while exploring and utilizing the dashboard and other parts of MusiQuest, we have created several series of videos with associated written documents that cover topics ranging from getting started to managing your accessibility settings. All tutorial videos can be found on the Resources page, which is located at the bottom of the left-hand navigation menu. To locate specific tutorials, you can either type keywords into the search bar or click on a heading to view a drop-down grid of videos related to that topic. Each page on the dashboard also has an associated video and downloadable tutorial to help you learn more about the functions on that specific page. Simply click on the Information button next to the page title and your screen will scroll down to the resources. Additionally, if you are editing a class or individual student's accessibility settings, you can locate those specific resources on the Accessibility Settings window. Scroll down to watch a video about accessibility settings as a whole, or click on the Info button next to each accessibility setting to read or watch a video about that specific setting. If you cannot locate any resources related to a specific topic or issue, or still have questions or concerns after taking a tutorial, please reach out to us at support@musiquest.com.